I solve the equation. Now here you can see I have 2 times the quantity x minus 3 squared equals 44. This looks like a real good situation to solve by doing square roots. So what I can do is I can divide both sides by 2, and then I'll have the perfect square binomial by itself, and I can use a square root to finish solving. So let's divide by 2 on both sides. These two simplify out. I'm going to have x minus 3 quantity squared on the left, and 44 divided by 2 is 22, so that goes on the right. Now I'm going to take the square root of both sides, trying to get that x by itself. So the square root of x minus 3 squared is simply x minus 3. Then since I'm taking the square root, I have to do that on the other side, plus or minus square root of 22. So why is it plus or minus? Well, we'll do a simple example. Negative 2 times negative 2 equals 4, and 2 times 2 equals 4. That same idea, when you're solving by square roots, you have to account for both the negative possibility and the positive one. So let's take a look back here now. We have x minus 3 equals plus or minus square root of 22. Last step is going to be to add 3 to both sides. That's going to leave x equals 3 plus or minus square root of 22. And this really is 2 answers. And if you wanted to figure out what the value is roughly by using a decimal estimate, you could enter your calculator 3 plus square root of 22, and you could enter 3 minus square root of 22, and those would give you decimal estimates of this exact answer we have here with the radical 22.